Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're from the team Abdul, Qardi and Jurjani from Semama Wewe Group is competing in this competition. First, our team consists of 5 people: Hari Amsharida, Abdul Zari Muaz, Hafi Ifan, and Muhammad Dawish. With our teacher being our respectful teacher, Cikgu Rosli Zawan. For the problem that we're trying to solve today, in this era of globalization, the temperature in Earth is increasing because of the global warming, especially in Malaysia, because we are placed on top of the Khatulistian line. Because of that, this will impact the students in Malaysia negatively because they have to study in such hot conditions, which will disturb their lesson. To solve this problem, we suggest to make our product that can make the smell in the classroom better, and in addition to that, make the classroom cool. With that, we can solve the issue that students are having today. And we name this product Eco Breeze Portable AC.
So, for our objectives, we want to solve problems that have been faced by students in the class session that have been caused by hot weather.
So, these are our sketches for this product. Okay.
Now, the components that are needed are a 5-liter plastic bottle, 3 pieces of boxes, a road steel, a wire, a set of cottons, and essential oil.
The next one is 1 piece of rubber bath, a set of fin blade, 1 set of AAA battery, 1 motor DC, and battery holder.
And the total price from all of the stuff of RM47.38.